be showing you how to use this VPN application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Here, this is the home screen of the VPN application, and it's very, very simple to use, and you don't get the option to select whichever server you want to use. You'll be just given the server, a random server to use. When you first open the application over, we need to allow connection request. Once you have done that, you're pretty much good to go. So the location icon down here is pretty much will just show you location where you are, and that's really pretty much it for this VPN. So once you have loaded the VPN, because it's gonna take a while to load, all you have to do just tap on the connection button here, and it will pretty much start to connect. So do make sure you have good internet connection, or else it will give problem while trying to connect. But yeah, that's it. If I miss anything, which I don't think I do, just comment below and let me know if you have any problems and see if I can help you out. And with all that said, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.